Hey, Brian Young, ProTicketChoice.com, ProTicketChoice.com. And we're packing up other car. Guy just bought the Transamerica Ford Mustang. Beautiful car, beautiful car. This is a Thunderjet Ultra G. Sweet. Oh, hey, guess what I've got to show you here? Hold on one second. I'll bring the camera over here. We're going to be doing a video on this later today. I've got a sample set of the Legends of the Quarter Mile. This is the new Snake and Mongoose set. We've been doing a video on that in a couple days. Sweet set. Okay, we're going to do a Carney update. Okay, it's totally out of control now. Letting you know. But I want to show you some numbers. I'm always about numbers. Business, everything's all about numbers. I was in the Navy, I told you that, submarine, it's all about numbers. Always. Here's from the CDC. CDC, 2019-2020 flu season. This is what they anticipated for the flu season from 2019 to this year. Preliminary burden estimates from the flu. 38,000 to 54,000 flu illnesses. 38,000, 54,000. We haven't even hit that, even 5,000. 17 to 25,000 estimated flu medical visits. 390,000 to 710,000 hospitalizations. Now this is the one that really pisses me off because nobody's, what about these people? 23,000 to 59,000 people will die of the flu from 2019 to 2020. Every year of the flu. And we have less than 400. All of a sudden, the governor of Dumb Wine, I'm calling him Dumb DeWine, closes the border now in Ohio. They have no idea what this is going to do to the economy. I'm trying to keep on moving, buddy. For 450 people positive for this stupid virus. And this Dr. Fauci, he should be criminally prosecuted. He is the biggest liar that's going on right now. Dr. Fauci. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. I'm telling you people, it's all a scam. It's the biggest scam in the world. I want you to listen to these freaking numbers again. I'm telling you, this really is upsetting me. 23,000 to 59,000 people are going to die from this flu. Already have died. Probably about 23,000, maybe 40,000, because we were coming out of the flu season. We haven't even hit 5,000 in deaths worldwide. And 23,000 have already died in America. In America! CDC numbers. Guy just bought. Look at these. Look at these guys. These are sweet dragsters. Okay. This is ProTicketChoice.com. ProTicketChoice.com. Have fun. Go outside. Visit people. Doesn't matter. This virus is nothing compared to the flu, and we don't care about the flu because we accept 23,000 deaths a year, so why should I care about this? Why should I care? Tell me why I should care. Really, seriously, if 23,000 people have already died or more from the flu, why should I be concerned about a virus that hasn't even hit 5,000 worldwide deaths? Hello? See, I'm an uneducated idiot. See, I'm what you call an idiot. All right. I'm uneducated. I'm a high school graduate. I graduated high school. I went into the Navy. But according to all the experts, I'm an idiot. No, see, and that's the thing. I'm not going to go that far because I don't want to really. Okay, road track racing. Run, 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 run. Hey, Brian Young, ProTicketChoice.com, ProTicketChoice.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Okay, because I know everybody agrees with what I'm saying. That's the problem. Have a great day.